Welcome to the lecture series of computer programming. Today's topic we are going to see about the array of structure. So till now in previous lecture we saw about the what is an array, how to initialize an array. These are all we already seen about this. Now we are going to implement how to declare a array inside the structure. So we already know about what is an array, what is an structure. Here we are going to implement array of structure. So structure means collection of different elements and array means collection of same elements. First you have to initialize an structure, then the structure concept we are going to implement by using an array. That is the concept we are going to see here. Let me see the example. First thing, array of structure. So what is an array, what is a structure, these are all you know about this. I am going to declare an array, I am going to declare a structure by implementing an array concept. Let me see this. This is the library function. Already you know about this. So this is the structure, normal structure without initializing an array concept. Here structure employee. So employee is a structure having employee ID and salary is a structure member variable. Here by using object creation you can access the member variable inside the structure. Here I am going to create array for this structure. Let me see how it will store. Here array means stored in the form of 0, 1, 2 like this. Here every structure inside the array. So here it will store employee structure having EID and salary. So this is an array. Each array contains the structure. So employee having employee ID and salary. Again this is also having employee ID and salary. So every structure having, every array having act as a structure concept. So every index of an array represent the structure. This particular array having a size of 5, right? Because having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So array starts from 0. So this is the index value. So the size of an array will be 5. So I am going to declare by using I am going to declare as an array. So open the main function, structure employee. So EMP is the, when you are using structure employee EMP, this is the normal object initialization. I am going to declare this particular object act as a structure. So here I am going to store 5 values. So in array having, when you are declaring the size EMP of 4. So particular object having 4 object access, act as a 4 object access. So here structure employee EMP of 4 represent it act as a array having the size of 4. So it will take an object as employee of 0, employee of 1, employee of 2 and employee of 3. Employee of 4. So size of an array will be 4 and it starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and it will store 5 structure data. So for example it will store 5 employee data. For example employee ID of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A, B, C, D, E. So this is the data you are going to store inside this. So employee ID 101 A. Sorry, salary. Though this is salary. So I am going to make it as a salary. 20k, 30k, 40k, 50k. So this is the salary. So here by using an array structure, we are going to access the particular data. So this is the object creation by using an array. So next, I'm going to read a data from the user. So here the size of an array will be the 4. So it will store 5 values. It means 5 structure because it is an object of the structure. It will store 5 structure. It means it will store 5 copies of employee ID and salary, 5 data. So I am going to create a for loop for this. For int I equal to 0, I less than 5. So the loop continues up to 4 values, up to 5 values. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. When it becomes 5, it will terminate. So loop continues up to 4. So it will ask for 5 data. So printf employee ID. So the output will be. So the output will be employee ID. Then scanf. So it will ask for this data of the employee ID. So scanf %d, employee ID is the %d. So ampersand of emp of 1. So object of the employee. So emp of I. So I represent first, in first iteration the I will be 0. So employee ID, employee of 0. It will ask for ID. So 101. Next, salary of an employee. Salary of an employee. So scanf %d. So it will ask for salary of an employee in first iteration, emp of 0 dot salary. So I am giving as 10,000. So this one act as a employee of 0 dot employee ID, and this one act as an employee of 0 dot salary. So like this it will continue up to 5 data. Again it will ask employee ID. So you have to give 1 or 2, 20,000. Again it will ask for a third employee ID, 1 or 3, 30,000. Like this it will ask 5 data from the user. So after that I am going to add the salary of the employee, and I am going to give an average. So just make it as a simple. So I need to add salary of the all employee. This one is 10,000, 20,000, 30, 40, 50,000. So I am going to sum of all salary and doing average. So here I need to travel 5 data. So same for loop I am using. So initialization of sum equal to 0. So sum equal to, in first iteration sum will be 0, 0 plus employee of 0 of salary. Employee of 0 of salary will take as 10,000. Then in next iteration it will be 10,000. Some value will be the 10,000. Again employee of 1 dot salary. So it will be 20,000. So 10,000 plus 20,000, 30. The sum value will be 30. Again it will move to next iteration. So it will come as 30,000 plus employee of 2 of 0. So employee of 2 of 0, this one is 0, 1, 2, 2 of 0, 30,000. So 30,000 plus 30,000, the sum will be 60,000. Again it will move to another iteration. So up to finally we get the sum of all employee salary, and it will come out of the loop after condition gets failed. Then it will do the average AVJ. So average is the variable. So AVJ equal to sum of all salary divided by 5. So here our salary will be 549. Salary will be 1,50,000 divided by 5. The answer will be average of the salary will be 30,000. So it will print average of an employee salary will be 30,000.